Hi, this is Shantae Dennis, and I'm going to show you how to use Story Creator. Story Creator is an app that's created for iPads and iPhones so that students can create stories or answer questions, pretty much anything that they want to do. It's a very basic app, and it's going to be great for introductory learners or for a quick check for an advanced learner. So once it's downloaded, you're going to select it. It looks like kind of like a glue stick, and you're going to open it. We're going to create a new book today, and you want to hit the plus button, and it's going to make a new book that you can title. It's all super easy. You don't have to give the book a name if you don't want to. We're going to call this one Ladybugs. All right, let's choose a photo for Ladybugs. Photos are best managed if they are in a collection. You can either download them or have a special place on the drive where the kids can find them. But let's go ahead and pick a picture for the cover. And here's one of a ladybug. One of the cool things about this is that you can collect part of the image if you want. You don't have to use the entire image. You can just use a selection. So we're going to just use the ladybug for the cover. All right. So now we're going to tap into the book and we're going to start writing. Writing can be done in two different ways. It can be done through the text tool. So you can see that we've got text. All right. So let's write, I like ladybugs at the bottom. I can kind of imagine early kindergarten, first graders using this to write one of their first stories that they're going to add pictures to. Oops, let's get off of there. I don't need any emojis. All right, and so we're done. And you can go ahead and add a graphic too if you want. So we're going to use an existing photo, and we'll get one from our story collection. And let's pick this one. All right, so we have this great picture with the ladybug laying her eggs and a nymph. Okay, and so it puts it on there in the middle. It's going to be centered. And let's make the next page. So we like that. And we're going to press the page plus icon to add another picture. So at this point, we can actually write some text. Let's write, we can use the crayon. You can pick orange, blue, pink, or green. So let's pick orange. And we can write, they are insects. All right. And you can go ahead and add a picture if you want. Let's say that you mess up on the writing. This is your tool for the eraser. So let's go ahead and erase that. And then you can hit the crayon again and we'll write it a little bit better. All right. And we can add an image here if we want, or we can add a voiceover, or you can add a video. There's lots of different options for this. So let's go ahead and add another picture. All right, and scroll down the story, and here's their life cycle. All right, so as you can see, there's lots of different options for this. We've made just a couple of pages, but you can add as many pages as you want. And now that we are done, let's go ahead and send this to ourselves. So we want to make sure the book is highlighted, and then we can click on the send to button at the bottom. There's a 3 tap so that we know where it's going. And you can actually send it an email to parents or yourself or wherever you'd like to keep it stored. And it's going to update it, and then you should get it shortly in an email to wherever you send. And it's going to ask you to download the software if you haven't already. And voila, you will have your own storybook online.